So hi everyone, for today we're going to do the donning and doffing of PPE. So first we're going to do the hand hygiene. And the next thing is that we prepare the materials. The next thing is we don on shoe cover to protect our shoes and lower legs from infectious contaminants. After applying the shoe cover, wear the hazmat suit to protect our clothing and skin from contact with infectious agents. And carefully peel off the adhesive tape. Done on KN95 mask. Serves as protection of respiratory system. After donning on KN95 mask, don on the hair cup or the bonnet so that it prevents contamination of hair and scalp and avoids hair from touching sterile surfaces or equipments. Carefully wear the hazmat hood and continue to zip and lock the adhesive tape. Carefully don on goggles and place them over your face and eyes, and it protects the eyes and face from splashes, sprays, or droplets of infection. Carefully done on first layer of gloves. It protects hands from contamination and ensures no exposed skin between gloves and gown sleeves. After donning on first layer of clean gloves, apply a new second layer of clean gloves and It provides additional protection if the outer gloves are damaged or contaminated. So here is the full coverage of after donning the PPE. First, we're going to perform hand hygiene. So this is to reduce the possibility of microorganism transmission. So after performing hand hygiene, we're going to doff our shoe covers. This is to remove the most contaminated items first, and it prevents hand contact with contaminated outer surfaces. Remove the outer layer of gloves. So removing them first reduces the risk of spreading infectious agents to other PPE parts. After removing the layer of gloves, perform hand hygiene. This is to ensure the reduce of microorganisms. Remove face shield or goggles by grasping the back garter of the headband. So it prevents contact with contaminated front surfaces, reducing the chance of self-contamination. Carefully remove the hood of the PPE suit, and then it avoids contact with the outer contaminated surfaces of the hood, and then perform hand hygiene. It prevents contamination before touching the gown. So doff off the PPE suit. Make sure that your head is tilted up, and then carefully unzip the PPE. Make sure to not touch the insides of the suit, only touch the outer part of the suit. Remove gloves along with the PPE suit. After discarding the PPE suit, perform hand hygiene. Doff the bonnet using your index finger. This is to prevent self-contamination. Perform hand hygiene again. This is to ensure that any microorganisms accidentally transferred from the hair cap are removed before proceeding to the next step. Carefully doff off the KN95 mask and perform hand hygiene. That's all. Thank you for watching.